Okay, so the next topic is differences between while loop and do while loop. Okay, so we will see what are the differences between while loop and do while loop. So generally, in case of syntax, flowchart, and example, I hope so. You people came to know the differences. Okay, like in case of while loop, first condition is checked. In case of do while, condition is checked at the end. So these things you people came to know by this term, but still we will discuss. Okay. So differences between while and do while loop. See, sometimes in interview they may ask, or else in the exam also you may come across this question. Okay. Write the differences between while loop and do while loop in academics exam or in case of interview also. In interview you can tell orally, and sometimes if they may ask like write an example code. Okay, that code is also present in this table. I will tell you. So we will see theoretically first. While loop, do while loop. The condition is checked at the beginning of the loop before the execution of statements. In case of while loop, okay. In case of do while loop, condition is checked at the end of the loop after the executing the statements. So this is the first difference. So condition is checked at the beginning, condition is checked at the end. For this reason only, they have termed it as pre-tested looping statement and post-tested looping statement. Okay. So this term came because of this first point. That first point is condition is checked at the beginning, condition is checked at the end. Okay. So if the condition is checked at the beginning, then it is called pre-tested. If the condition is checked at the end, then it is called post-tested. So sometimes you may come across this question. So which loop is called as pre-tested looping statement, or uh, what does while loop called as? So you can say pre-tested looping statement in that way. Okay. Next, so second point is pre-tested looping statement, post-tested looping statement. Okay. Now, when it comes to third point, see this third point is very important. Here we will come to know exact difference between the while loop and do while loop. Okay. When the condition is false for the first time, the minimum number of times the statements of while loop are executed is zero. So from these 3 points, you may expect this particular question in the interview. Okay. So how many times, how many minimum number of times the while loop is executed, how many minimum number of times the while loop is executed. If they ask like maximum, so in the table I have not written, but orally I can say maximum means infinite. That is the answer. For while, do while, and for loop, maximum number of times loops are executed is infinite number of times. Okay. In case of minimum, so in case of while loop, zero number of times the statements of while loop are executed. In case of do while loop, minimum number of times is at least once. Okay, at least once the statements of do while loop are executed, even the condition is false for the first time. Because see, in case of while loop, condition is checked at the beginning. Okay. In case of do while loop, condition is checked at the end. Okay, wherever the condition is checked, the thing is, uh, when the condition is checked for the first time, okay, what happens? That means the condition is checked for the first time, how the process happens, that we should know. So in this example, if you observe, see, I have taken I is equals to 1, condition is I greater than 1. Okay. So if we ask a question like is 1 greater than 1, so this value you have to substitute in the condition. So I equal to 1, that 1 you have to substitute here. Is 1 greater than 1? Answer will be no only. Okay, right? No means false. Is 1 greater than 1? No. It is false. Okay. Is 1 equals to 1? Yes. Is 1 greater than or equals to 1? Yes. But is 1 greater than 1? No. Because both are equal actually. Okay. So if the condition is false in case of while loop, so that is for the first time. So what I'm telling is for the first time the condition is false. If the condition is false, then statements of the while loop are not executed at all. So program control will come out of the loop. So if you observe the output here, I have showed it as blank. So nothing is printed. Okay. Actually, I value is 1. If you look at the printf statement, 1 should be printed actually. Okay. But because the condition is false, the program control will not enter into the loop. Okay. So it directly comes out of the loop. That is to the end of the closing brace. So if the program control comes out of the loop, then printf statement will not be executed. If the printf is not executed, 1 is not printed. 1 is not printed, then you can consider this is the output. Okay, nothing is there on the output. But when we go to the do while loop, what happens? We can take the same thing like initial value, condition, print statement, same thing we can take, nothing change. I is equals to 1 in case of while loop, in case of do while loop also I is equals to 1 initial value. So in case of while loop, printf statement, that is printing the value of I, in case of do while loop, printing the statement. So in case of while loop, condition is I greater than 1. In case of do while loop, condition is I greater than 1. Now we'll see how it executes. So in case of do while loop, I is equals to 1. Okay. Do means execute the statement first. Later you check the condition. In that way we can understand. So do means do the work, then check the condition. Okay. So if I start executing the statement, very first statement what I come across in this structure is printf statement. So if printf statement is executed, then one, that is I value is one, that is printed. You look at the output, one is printed. Next it will check the condition. You put the value of I here. So one greater than one, condition is false. Second time it will not go to the beginning of the loop. That is printf statement is not executed. That means printf is executed here. Even though the condition is false, printf is executed. So how many times printf statement is executed? Only one time. So what we can say? At least once the statements of do while loop are executed, even the condition is false for the first time. So this is the exact difference between while loop and do while loop. So in big projects, when they use while loop and do while loop, depending on the particular application, like if I use do while loop in case of while loop, what happens? If I use while loop in case of do while loop, what happens? Those things they will keep in mind. So depending on the application, they will use particularly. In first PUC, PCMC or commerce computers combination, in lab program, one program is there, compound interest program. There they are using. Okay, I think. So is my voice okay for others? So for few more minutes, I'll speak out. You just see how the voice goes. Srinivas sir. So in which point you people did not hear, sir, or like in differences?
Yeah, you were explaining about the example between
Ah,
the do and the while and the do while,
okay,
where you said the output not coming in one is appearing. So
okay,
that was completely interrupted. So if you
okay,
can or breaking. Okay.
okay, fine. I do one
If you
thing.
have a wire connection, you will not have.
It's wireless.
Oh, okay. That's the problem.
Okay, fine. One thing I do,
Because
I
if
kept
it's
actually I
raining and
kept
it's wet,
for
I
charging
guess you
also.
already
Yes, sir.
cannot hear you again. You're breaking out.
Okay, fine. I'll do one thing. Let us execute this program in the editor once. Okay.
If you can have your router close by to you, that will be good.
What, sir?
Now, if your system and the router are apart beyond 15 feet, then it will be an issue. If you can go close by to it, yeah, that will be good enough.
It is near
If
only.
you're sitting close,
Yes, yes, it's near only.
okay,
Yesterday I used mobile.
okay.
Today I recharge it. So
Yeah, now it looks like it is improved. It's better.
okay, fine. Okay, anyways, we will execute once the program. That example, if people understand, then so we'll get the exact difference between while loop and do while loop. Okay, I don't know where I have said. Okay, let us execute the program. So here we will take I is equals to 1. Okay, so then, so while I greater than 1, so print percentage I. Okay. So I have not written I plus plus because only first time loop will execute. So that means we have the intention to execute only one time loop. So I have not written I plus plus. Okay. So here if you observe, so condition will become false for the first time itself. So if I execute this program, you can see the blank screen without printing the value of I. So I hope you people are looking at the screen. So only cursor is blinking. So without the value. So printf statement is not executed in this case. That means the minimum number of times while loop statements are executed when the condition is false for the first time is 0. From this program only we can understand it is 0 number of times looping is executed. Okay. Now what I do is just I will make this as a comment. That means instead of executing this while loop, let do while loop execute. Okay. So same I value is 1 only. So printf. See whatever I have done it as a comment like slash star and star slash those statements are not executed. So this do while loop will be executed now. Okay. So one more thing you have to remember here is when you write while condition, no need to put semicolon. But when we write do while condition, we have to put semicolon. So that is the syntax they have made it. So at the end of the while condition, you have to put the semicolon. Okay. Now let us try to execute this program. See, one is printed. Okay. So I think the screen is visible for you, console screen. So one means here one number of times it is executed. That is at least once this printf is executed. So now we will trace by using F7. So first I will trace it while loop. Okay. So here I will remove the comment. I equal to 1, clear screen. So here it checks the condition I greater than 1. 1 greater than 1. You have to substitute the value here. 1 greater than 1. So 1 greater than 1 is false. If you observe, it will directly go to the getch. Okay. So nothing is printed on the screen. So this is in case of while loop. Now, when we go for the do while, so in the same program only you can do like this. Comment the statements with respect to while loop, uncomment the statements with respect to do while loop. Okay. Now let us execute line by line. See, in case of do while loop, printf statement is executed once. Okay. After checking the condition, printf statement will not execute. Second time it will not execute. Okay. If you observe the output here, see one is printed. Okay. So if people copy these differences, I hope so. At least by looking at this example, you got the third point. So okay, you copy the example differences. What you do is today in your PC or laptop, you can execute this third difference example by writing the program. Okay, in the recording, you will come to know how to comment and how to uncomment. By looking at the recording, we can execute the program, or else you can copy this program in the editor and you can execute. There will come to know the difference. So now you copy these differences. Okay. So third point with example you people copy it. Okay. So next looping is for loop. So we'll discuss syntax and explanation. Okay. So if my voice seems breaking, so we shall continue tomorrow because till 5 minutes is there. This for loop. Shrikar, you asked me to scroll up. I don't know why. In case of do while. Okay, we shall continue tomorrow class. So